Ceiling fans are a great way to stay cool in the summer, but can they also help you feel warmer in the winter? Let's verify using these sources. In the summer, you should set your fans to rotate counterclockwise, which pushes air down. More air moving over your body helps sweat evaporate and makes you feel cooler. In the winter, the energy department recommends reversing your fan on the lowest setting so it spins clockwise. Hot air rises, so the clockwise turn of the fan pulls cooler air from the ground upward, which forces the warmer air down to where you are, making you feel warmer. So yes, ceiling fans can help you feel warmer in the winter.